Hello students, my name is Satnam Singh. Students, I welcome you all on this online platform of Sandeepni Gurukul. Students, today we are going to learn about tricks to find out hybridization. So what are the various steps involved when we find out hybridization? The very first step is going to be to find valence electrons of the central atom. Okay, the central atom, if it is lithium, you know there is only one electron in the valence shell of lithium. Likewise students, for beryllium we have 2, for boron we have 3, for nitrogen we have 5, for carbon it is 4, for oxygen family it is going to be 6, for halogen, here X stands for halogen, it is going to be 7, and for noble gases like xenon, neon, argon, it will be what? It will be 8. So first you are supposed to find out the valence electron of the central atom, for which you are finding out the hybridization. Students, now the second step which you are going to do, you are going to find the sharing electron of the side atom. If the side atom is hydrogen or halogen, what is going to happen is its sharing electron will be 1 and it will form always 1 sigma bond. When it is oxygen family, when the side atom belongs to oxygen family, the sharing electron is going to be what? It is going to be 2. So it is going to form 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. Okay, when it belongs to nitrogen family, when the side atom belongs to nitrogen family, you say the sharing electron will be 3 and there will be 1 sigma and 2 pi bond. And students, the third important step which we will learn over here, we say when the number of sigma, lone pair and unpaired electron is coming up to 2, so you say it will be sp hybridized. If it is 3, it is sp2 hybridized. If it is 4, it will be sp3 hybridized. If it is 5, वो होगा sp3 dehybridized. If it is 6, it will be sp3 d2, and if it is 7, it will be what? It will be your sp3 d3. Yes students, so these are the steps involved in finding out hybridization of the central atom. Now using these 3 steps, we will find out hybridization of some of the examples which we have taken over here. See students, the very first example which I have taken is of what? Methane. So I will write methane here. I will say, see, I will be putting it as what? I will be putting it as methane over here students. So मैंने लिखा यहाँ पर CH4. Students, it is going to be what? It is going to be your methane. Okay, so I have written methane. Now methane belongs to which family? See, if you see the previous part, methyl belongs to what? See, the central atom over there is carbon. So the valence electron is going to be what? It is going to be 4 over there. So I'll write the valence electron of carbon is going to be 4. And what is the side atom over here? It is hydrogen. So one hydrogen ka sharing electron will be 1. So we have 4 hydrogen over here. So students, we will write 4 minus 4. So it will be coming up to what? It will be coming up to 0 electron. So there are 0 lone pair in what? In methane. Now students, if you see carefully, this carbon is making how many bond with hydrogen? It will make 4 sigma. And the lone pair is what? It is going to be 0. So when you carry out the sum, you will be getting answer as what? 4. So here when you get it as what? When you get it as 4, you will say hybridization is what? sp3. So students, what we have seen is for carbon we have seen the valence electron of the central atom is what? 4, and the sharing electron of hydrogen was what? 1. So it was 4 minus 4. Why? Because there were 4 hydrogen. So you are getting answer as what? 0 electron. If it is 0 electron, you say it is 0 lone pair. Okay, when you carry out the sum of that lone pair, okay, and sigma bond, you will be getting it as what? 4. So students, here the hybridization is what? It is sp3. Likewise, we will be calculating it for NO2. Students, अब इसमें क्या है? NO2 प्लस लिखा है. तो व्हाट यू विल सी, व्हाट यू विल डू, नाइट्रोजन के आउटर मोस्ट शेल में, वैलेंस शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं? 5. ओके, नाइट्रोजन फैमिली के वैलेंस शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं? 5. बट सिंस मॉलिक्यूल के ऊपर एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो वी विल डू व्हाट वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट ओके 1 फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर 5. तो इट विल बी व्हाट, इट विल बी 5 minus 1. So here it will be what, it will be 4 over here. Now oxygen is a side atom over here. Oxygen, one oxygen will share 2 electron. So here we have 2 oxygen. So it will be 2 into 2, so it is going to be 4. So students, here there is going to be how many electron? It will be 0 electron. Since it is 0 electron, you say there is 0 lone pair. Okay, now students, we know oxygen is going to form 2 bond, okay, 1 sigma and 1 pi. So there are 2 oxygen, so there will be 2 sigma, and then there will be what, there will be 0 lone pair. So it will be coming up to what, 2. When it is 2, you know the hybridization is what? When it is 2, the hybridization is going to be what? It is going to be sp. So students, what we have seen is, we have seen with nitrogen, so its valence electron was 5. Since it was positive on NO2 plus, okay, so what we have done, we have removed 1 electron, so it became 4. Okay, since the side atom was what, oxygen, 1 oxygen will share how many electron? 2. So it was 4 minus 4, so it was 0 electron, 0 lone pair. So students, we have got the answer as what? Answer as sp hybridization. Now students, we will go for NO2 minus. Students, NO2 minus में हम क्या करेंगे, 5+1 कर देंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक नेगेटिव चार्ज है. तो ये हो जाएगा 6 minus 4 we will do. Why 4? Because 1 oxygen will share 2 electron. So there are 2 oxygen. So we will say 2 into 2 is going to be 4. So here it is 4. So answer will be what? 2 electron. When it is 2 electron, you say 2 electron will be 1 lone pair. There are 2 electrons, so it will be considered as what? 1 lone pair. So students, here this nitrogen is going to make 2 sigma bond with oxygen. So there will be 2 sigma, there will be 1 lone pair. So sum is coming to what? It is coming to 3 over there, students. When it is 3, you will call it as what? You will call it as sp2 hybridization. See, you see, when it is 3, it is what? It is sp2 hybridization. So students, here we have seen with 3 examples. One of methane, which was sp3 hybridized. One of NO2 plus, which was sp hybridized, and one of NO2 minus, which is what? Which is your sp2 hybridized. Now let us move toward, see the another example, students. Here we have written xenon along with fluorine. See, xenon belongs to noble gas. So it will have what? It will have 8 electron, 8 valence electron. Halogen family will share 1 electron. 1 halogen will share 1. So here there are 2 halogen. So here it is going to be 2. So here you will be getting answer as what? It is 6 electron. This 6 electron means what, students? It is going to be 3 lone pair. Okay, 2 electrons will make 1 lone pair. So 6 electron will make 3 lone pair. So students, here the number of sigma is going to be what? It is going to be 2, and lone pair is going to be what? It is going to be 3. So the answer over here is what? 5. When you say 5, it is going to be what? It is going to be sp3 dehybridized. Students, it will be what? It will be sp3 dehybridized. Okay, students, now let us take some other examples. See, students, some other examples which we will be considering. This we have already completed. So students, here we will say it is XeOF2. Yes, it is XeOF2. See, students, here we will say it has 8. Okay, this will be what? This will be 2 plus 2 over here. See, I have written 8 because there is xenon. Xenon belongs to noble gas. Okay, noble gas has 8 electron in the valence shell. Why minus? See, here I have written 2 because oxygen share 2 electron, and this fluorine, 1 fluorine can share 1 electron. So there are 2 such fluorine. So it will be 2 plus 2. So students, it will be 8 minus 4. So here you will be having what? You will be having 4 electron, which is going to be 2 lone pair. Okay, which is going to be 2 lone pair. See students, here with oxygen it will make 1 sigma. Remember, we are supposed to count only sigma bond. Oxygen can make 2 bonds, out of which one is sigma and another one is pi. So we are counting only sigma over here. So we have written with sigma. See students, here with fluorine it will make what? It will make 2 more sigma. So it will be 2 more sigma, plus there will be what? There will be 2 lone pair. So 4 sigma plus 2 lone pair, answer will be coming up to what students? It will be coming up to 6. So it is going to be what? It is going to be sp3d2 hybridization. Yes students, it will be sp3d2 hybridized. Now students, we have over here xenon with oxygen. Okay, xenon again belongs to what noble gas? So here we will say 8. One oxygen will share how many electron? One oxygen will share, yes, it will share 2 electron. So you say 2 into 4 is going to be what? It will be 8. So here there will be 0 electron. So there is 0 lone pair. Okay, so here there will be what? There will be simply 4 sigma. Students, why I have written 4 sigma? One oxygen can form 2 bonds, out of which one is sigma, another one is pi. So we are supposed to count only sigma. So here there will be 4 such sigma, along with what? Along with the 0 lone pair. So here it is coming to 4. You know, when it is 4, it is which hybridized? It is sp3 hybridized. Likewise students, here we have the another example. It is going to be SOF2. See, when I say sulfur, see students, sulfur belongs to oxygen family. So it will have how many electron in its valence shell? It is going to be 6. Then this O is going to be what? It will be 2. And this F2 will be what? It will be another 2. So here it will be coming to what? It will be coming to some 2 electron. 2 electron means what? It will be 1 lone pair. Yes students, it will be how many lone pair? It will be 1 lone pair. There is 1 sigma over here, there are 2 sigmas over here. So students, what we will say, it is going to be 3 sigma, and then there is going to be what? It is going to be 1 lone pair. 1 sigma over here and 2 sigma over there. So it is 3 sigma and 1 lone pair. So you say it is 4. 4 means what? It is sp3 hybridized. So students, in this session, what we have learned, how to find out hybridization of central atom. First we find out what is the valence electron of the central atom, whether it belongs to group 1, group 2, group 3, okay, like that. And then we will be finding out the sharing electron of the side atom, and finally you will carry out the sum of the sigma, sigma electron, lone pair and unpaired electron. If it is coming to 2, it is sp hybridized. If it is 3, it is sp2 hybridized. If it is 4, it is sp3 hybridized. Okay, if it is 5, it is sp3d hybridized. If it is 6, it is sp3d2 hybridized, and if it is 7, it will be sp3d3 hybridized. Hope students you have understood with the part. Thank you for watching the video.